Good afternoon. Today we're at Maan Farms for their Grinchmas Christmas drive-thru. It's a chance to pick up a few sweet Christmas treats on a rainy afternoon. They have a few of the farm animals out to greet visitors as we wait for our Christmas treats.
Look at the baby goats.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look at the little baby black goat right there in the food. Ah, gotcha.
Hi, Santa! And this is a drive-thru, so we picked up our goodies to go and found a quiet place on the farm to park and eat. Look at this. This is the Grinch Ice Cream. It's red and green. There's whipped cream on top, and there's a little red and green cookie in the back. Some sprinkles on top. It looks delicious. We also got a berry, is this a berry lemonade? We also got a berry lemonade to sip on. Our other treat is the chocolate crepe. It's supposed to be berries, I think they're inside. Let's break it open and see what we've got. There we go. With whipped cream on top. Looks yummy. Let's try the ice cream. Not sure if this is just vanilla with green flavor. It's tasty. I'm not sure, that almost has like a gingerbread flavor to it. It's pretty yummy. I thought I was done, but there's a bit of a cookie bits in there as well. What type of cookie would this be?
It's like an icebox cookie.
I don't know what that is.
It looks like a French cookie.
Okay, let's take a bite of the Grinch cookie. Delicious little treat. Just a quick trip out today for some Christmas treats. The only thing that was a little bit disappointing is we didn't actually get to see the Grinch. Hope you're having a great holidays. Take care and stay safe. And until next time.